Hello everyone, welcome Lead School at Home. Today we will start the new chapter in Geography of Unit 3rd, that is fifth one, Minerals and Energy Resources. Please student keep in your mind that is the theoretical aspect of this chapter will not be assessed in periodic tests and board examination. Only map atoms as given in map list from this chapter will be evaluated in board examination. So we directly move towards the map. On the page number 54, one map has given, that is the map of distribution of iron, manganese, bauxite and mica. So please student, while watching this video, be ready with your textbook, then map of India, that is political map, then pencil, pen and eraser. While moving towards this map, just I want to tell you the states and their capital in India. Please student, make a note, that is while watching this video you also mark the state names and capital in your political map. Now we will move towards the next. Now on 31st October 2019, the territory Jammu and Kashmir has divided into two states, that is first one is Ladakh and second one is Jammu and Kashmir. Here on north side of India, Ladakh is there and its capital is Leh. Then Jammu and Kashmir is there, its summer capital is Srinagar. Then winter capital Jammu. Then here Himachal Pradesh is there, its capital is Shimla. Then here Punjab is there, its capital is Chandigarh. Here Haryana is there, its capital is also Chandigarh. In Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab and Haryana. Then here Uttarakhand is there, its capital is Dehradun. Now here Delhi is there, the capital of India. Here Rajasthan is there, its capital is Jaipur. Here Uttar Pradesh is there, its capital is Lucknow. Then here Madhya Pradesh is there, center of India, and its capital is Bhopal. Here on western side of India, Gujarat is there, its capital is Gandhinagar. Then Maharashtra is there, its capital is Mumbai. Here territory is there, that is Dadra and Nagar Haveli, its capital is Silvassa. Then Daman and Div is there, its capital is Daman. Now Karnataka state is there, its capital is Bangalore. Then smallest state in India is there, that is Goa, its capital is Panji. Then here territory is there, Lakshadweep, its capital is Karavati. Then here Pondicherry is there and its capital is Pondicherry. Then here Kerala is there, its capital is Tiruvananthapuram. Then Tamil Nadu is there, its capital is Chennai. Then here Karaikal is there, it is a part of Puducherry. Now again Andhra Pradesh again divided into two states, that is Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. It is on 2 January 2014. Now capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati and capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Now here Odisha state is there, its capital is Bhubaneswar. Here Chhattisgarh is there, its capital is Raipur. Now here West Bengal is there, its capital is Kolkata. Now Jharkhand state is there, here its capital is Ranchi. Then Bihar is there, its capital is Patna. Then here Sikkim is there, its capital is Gangatok. Now here Arunachal Pradesh is there, its capital is Itanagar. Then here Assam is there, its capital is Dispur. Here Meghalaya is there, its capital is Shillong. Then here Tripura is there, its capital is Agartala. Now here Nagaland is there, its capital is Kohima. Here Manipur is there, its capital is Imphal. Here Mizoram is there, its capital is Ajah. In this way we have seen states and its capital, also territory and their capital. Here again one territory is there, Andaman and Nicobar, and its capital is Port Blair. Here Arabian Sea is there on western side, and here Sea of Bengal is there. Now we will move towards on our map. In this map, first we will see iron ore fields. Iron ore fields we will found here some part of Jharkhand, Odisha and West Bengal, some part of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Telangana, then some part of Maharashtra and Karnataka, some part of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh we will found iron ore fields. Now we will see iron ore mines. Iron ore mines we will see first in Maharashtra in Ratnagiri, then in Goa, that Marmagua, then in Karnataka, Bellary, then Chitradurg, then Kudremukh, then Chikmagaluru, then Turumakuru. Now it is in again Maharashtra, Chandrapur, then in Chhattisgarh, Pahladila, then in Durg, then in Jharkhand, that is Goa, and in Odisha, Khendu and Mayurbhanj. Now we will see iron ore exporting ports. Iron ore exporting ports we will see in Karnataka, that is Mangaluru. Now again we see in Andhra Pradesh Vishakhapatnam, and in Odisha Paradweep. Now we will see manganese. Manganese we will see in Karnataka Shivamogga, and in Goa Marmagua. Then in Odisha Khendu, then in Sundargarh, and again we will see in Maharashtra Nagpur and Bhandara, and in Madhya Pradesh Balaghat. Now we will see bauxite. Bauxite we will found here Odisha Koraput, then here on the border of Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh Maikala Hill, then here Chhattisgarh Bilaspur, then in border of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh in Amarkantak, that is now in Madhya Pradesh Katni. Now we will see Mica. Mica we will found here in Andhra Pradesh Nellore. Now again in here, that is Jharkhand in Hazaribagh, then in Bihar Gaya, here Rajasthan in Ajmer and Bewar. In this way we have seen what we have found in India, means we have seen distribution of iron ore, manganese, bauxite and mica in India. Now we will move towards the map. When you will draw the whole map, that time you will see the map is in this way. See here, I have drawn the map, and I have again show here the index of a map. In the same way, you have to mention the places name, and at last you have to draw the index. Please student, in the same way you have to send after drawing the map on our WhatsApp group. Thank you.